And I think from my background in recruitment, it's always frustrating hearing sometimes the employee's experience of the workplace as opposed to how the employer is trying to describe their workplace. And quite often those two things can be not just slightly off kilter, but can be two completely different things. You'd think the two people were talking about two different companies. So.
You know that when you are in recruitment business and you have a special capacity to understand individuals. If I give an example of myself, being a disabled person and neurodivergent person, it was always difficult for me to convey the employer. And being a middleman in between employer and the employee, I think you create significant contribution that way to matchmaking, I would say. How do you do that? Can you tell our audience a bit more about that?
I don't know. I think this is where a lot of recruiters do get a bad rap. For me, I think in 30 years now, there's a lot to be said about your gut reaction, the way the candidate responds to you as a recruiter, how quick or slow they are to respond to WhatsApp requests or email requests or to arrange a next call, to get documents back to